Hey guys, I wanted to show you my new camera. Well, it's not new. It's been lying around for a while, and we just found it. I put it away in my closet till I got older. Not the tablet. The camera is actually about, I don't know, 4 or 5 years old. But I'm probably not gonna use it. I might use it for videos, but it depends on how good it is. If it's good, I will, but probably not. So yeah, I found it in my grandma's closet. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Of course, it says made to China. It says to me on the front. So let's go ahead and unbox it here. I already opened this flap up just to take a thumbnail clip, and then I just shut it again, so I never really unboxed it. So first up, we got the instructions. Ooh, not a bad looking camera. Looks kind of old though. Yeah, basic information. Okay. We got the power cable here, USB. Oh, it's definitely the older kind of USB chargers. And we also got in the box the camera itself. Excuse me. There's the front. Doesn't look too old, but it is pretty old. Like 6 years old, 5 years old, like I said. Big camera lens. I wish it had extra little cameras around the sides for like 4K. I don't know what that is yet. I have to take a look. You can see through it though, which is pretty cool. Got the mode button. This battery pack. Oh, it already has 2 little batteries in it, so it must be pretty new. Well, like, not new, but somebody must have opened it before me and just put everything back in the box again. I'm not sure. Let's get these batteries out and see if they're still okay to use. Yeah, they look still okay to use. They don't look like they've been sitting in here for a while, so somebody must have known about this camera or something. Hang on, I just gotta put the batteries in, but let's see what else is in the box. We got your disc, probably to burn videos on. I don't know, I just gotta put the batteries back in and see if it works. Alright, excuse the background noise, let's see if it works. Does it work? Let's see. Mode. Something. Maybe the batteries are in the wrong way. This must work. Hang on. Alright guys, I'm gonna look for batteries and see if it works. I think it might just need to be charged. If I do end up using it, I'll tell you in my videos. I'll say the next video I do, I'll say, hey, I'm using that camera, and then you'll know I used it until I get it charged. Because I don't feel like pausing my camera, my tablet, because it'll just turn off. So thanks for watching. Fans vs. Gaming. Peace out.